How to change video background in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about, so let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva home page. So first go to the create here and take the design presentation. Don't go for videos, take any presentation. Like I choose the one, this default set presentation canvas. So here we have the canvas. Now you can upload your video from your computer. If you have your own video, then upload from your computer like this. After upload, you can see the video here. You need to just select that image video. It will be inside here. Okay, for now I just choose the video from Canva only. So you can search elements, search into elements. Like if you want meditation video, just choose the meditation video. Okay, so we have video here, so I choose this one. Okay, so you can set as a image as a background, or you can set as a video as a background. Okay, so first I will show you how you can choose the image. First select the image, that video, go to the BG remover, then this image video background will be removed. Now choose the image. You can upload image from here. Okay, now this is image. Now just right click on it and set as a background. Now this is our video. Now you can resize it. Okay, like this. So if you want to check your video actual size, select that video, go to the position. Here you can see your video size with. Okay, so you can also change your canvas size as per your video size, so it will be look perfect. You can change from here. Just select change from here and click on resize this design. It will be designed with your same as your video size. Okay, now let me play. This is my video and this is the background. Okay, now I will show you how you can change as the background with video also. Okay, this is my original video. Let me first remove the background. Now search the video background. You can search here from elements like C waves video. You can search from here. You can search in this search box. I want C waves video. You can type your requirements. So we have the videos here. Go to the C all. So I choose, let me select any video from here. Okay, choose this one. Now right click on it and set as a video background. Now you can see this is perfectly suit. Okay, this is perfectly suit to our video. Now you can resize your video like this. Okay, now just go to the share and download as a MP4, and you can manage the quality. If you increase the quality, your file size will be increased. If you decrease your quality, the file size will be decreased. So make it middle and just download it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.